Zerorez is carpet cleaning, but it is cleaning carpet with a purpose. It's cleaning carpet with values and morals and visions and a compass, and not just about cleaning carpet, but solving a problem for a person.
Most consumers don't have a high regard for companies in our industry, right? They have probably low expectations because they've been disappointed many times. Zerorez has the ability to change that. People can't believe how different the clean is, right? And that's our technology, but it's also our people in the process and how we interact with the consumer.
It's something that was really important to me because I've worked at places where it wasn't, and when you're a service business, all you have are your people. The technology is like gravy, it's great that they have the differentiator, but the service component was, to me, the most important thing. You can have the best technology in the world, but if people hate you or hate their experience, they're still not going to call you.
It starts at the top, actually caring for each other, and then that relates all the way down to the reps actually feeling an obligation to care for the customer.
Yeah, they're a corporation, right, on paper, but to get down and deal one-on-one with the owners, make decisions quick, be agile and adjust, that's the biggest difference.
In addition to the corporate infrastructure, you've got the vast franchisee infrastructure.
The franchise system is highly supportive, and that's something that's probably not usual within franchise systems.
Hey, I'm having this problem. Oh, I had that problem last week or last year or last month. Here's how I approached it. Not so much how I fixed it, but how I approached it. And the support behind that is amazing. It really is.
I love the training programs that we get from corporate and other franchises. It really helps you build up your employees and your team to be competent and understanding, and then transfer that onto the customer, and they get it and they realize, oh, okay, it's better to clean with the empowered water and not with soap, because you educate them while you're out there.
The technology we use is the empowered water. It's water we purify, we run it through an electrolysis process, and it gives it this alkalinity which allows it to clean like soap would, but without the negative impacts of soap. So no residue that will reattract dirt, no toxic, harmful chemicals, any of that stuff.
They don't understand the treatment and everything that we do to the water, but they can see the difference, and it's amazing.
I think Zerorez is about doing something different in this industry, and doing it in a way that is respected, in ways that empower people and allow everybody to win.
If I wasn't with Zerorez, I would not be in this industry. It's that big. It means that much to me.
It's a great time to get into the system, in that there's a lot of momentum behind the brand. We're starting to really get a foothold in consumers understanding why Zerorez brings a different and better solution to the table. And as Zerorez continues to innovate and bring new technology, new tools, new services, those are all things that we're going to be able to offer to the marketplace. So it's a great time to get into the system.